For this recipe, I am taking 1 liter milk, vanilla flavored custard powder, half cup sugar. Out of 1 liter of milk, I have kept aside 1 cup of milk for mixing the custard powder later on. 1/4 cup custard powder and 3 mangoes. I've cut them in cubes for garnishing later on. Pour milk in a vessel. Remember to keep aside that 1 cup of milk. Now add sugar. Keep the heat on low flame and keep on stirring it. Now to this 1 cup of milk, add custard powder. Stir it till no lumps are left. Now add this mixture to the warm milk and keep stirring until you get a thick consistency. If unattended, there are chances for the custard to get burned. This whole process has to be done on low flame only. You can see the change in consistency. Switch off the gas and leave it to cool down at room temperature. When it cools down at room temperature, it thickens up more. Top it up with mango cubes. Usually people like to mix it with the custard, but I like to have it like this. Delicious mango custard is ready to serve. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching.